Driving without a license in New Jersey is a serious offense, but things happen. Maybe your wallet was stolen or your license fell out of your pocket. Either way, replacing a lost New Jersey driver's license is easy, and in most cases, you can do it entirely online. In most cases, you can replace your New Jersey driver's license through the Motor Vehicle Commission's online portal. The MVC requires you to complete the process online in all but a few cases. If you're replacing a commercial driver's license, a visa-restricted license, or a license up for probationary renewal, you'll have to make an appointment at a physical MVC location. In all other cases, you'll go through the online portal. So, what do you need to replace a New Jersey driver's license online? You'll need to have your driver's license number, your social security number, a working email, and a debit or credit card to take care of the $11 replacement fee. You'll also need access to a printer if you want to print out the temporary license you'll be issued after filling out the application. This temporary license will be valid for 30 days, but you can expect the actual replacement license to arrive in the mail within 14 days. Driving without a license on you carries a potential penalty of a fine up to $500 or up to 60 days in jail. If you're convicted of driving without a license, that violation will go on your driving record, meaning that insurance companies will see you as a higher risk and potentially charge you higher premiums. That's why it's so important to head to the MVC's online portal and take care of your replacement license ASAP. Regardless of your driving record, Jerry can make sure you aren't overpaying for the insurance coverage you need. Download the Jerry app or go to getjerry.com to get started.